Here's the next thing we can touch on is going from asphalt to a dirt road like this. Some people refer to this as an unimproved road, basically meaning it's not paved, it's not really maintained, just kind of this dirt road out in the country. Notice how I ride down this unimproved dirt road. I'm just keeping my speed nice and steady. I'm doing about 30 miles an hour right now. Now this road, you could already see right there, it was pretty bumpy. The GoPro's probably smoothing it out quite a bit, but the road itself is really bumpy right here. It's already getting kind of washed out from all the vehicle usage. They come along here and they try to grade it once in a while and backfill it with some fresh dirt, but a lot of traffic along here, so it gets beat up pretty quickly. So you end up with all these little divots and dimples and potholes and stuff that it's going to make for quite a bumpy ride depending on your suspension. So one thing to help you with that is try to keep your eyes up, looking down the road and identifying where you think will be the smoothest ride. Maybe it's up here in the center, right? That feels pretty good right here. So notice these differences in color and texture as well. Maybe that can be an indicator for you. So maybe I can be on this kind of light area right here where I'm at, as opposed to if I'm on this darker brown area, it's a little more bumpy, right? But you can just look and kind of identify, and you can try to look ahead and predict where am I going to have the best, smoothest experience as well as the best traction available, right? As opposed to if I see a big gravelly spot like this and ride right over it, I might be able to anticipate I can slip and slide on that reduced traction, that gravel. I can reduce my speed prior to the turn here. Notice I'm not leaning the bike very much at all. I'm riding over some pretty thick gravel right there. There's no problem whatsoever, okay? I got my head and eyes up, looking ahead, just cruising. So reduce your speed, keep your bike nice and upright. Try not to lean super aggressively or far over. That way you have more contact patch, more traction. And then just try to adjust your bike subtly and gently if you need to make some moves and find some better traction and get off some rigid bumps and get off some loose gravel. Just make some smooth adjustments back and forth, find the sweet spots, and eventually you find your way right back to some asphalt again. And that unimproved road is in your rear view mirror.